Hello and welcome to the Feel Good 15 with Sing Up and me, Ollie from Beat Goes On. Lovely to see you all here. We're going to get our hands warmed up straight away with 8 of these, 8 of these, 8 of these, and then 8 of these. We'll do the whole thing twice through, counting the numbers as we go. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Same again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lovely stuff. Good job. Now, to get our full bodies warmed up, we're going to use some of the words to the chorus of this song. And we're going to be going 1, 2, 3, 4. We are unstoppable. We are unstoppable. We are unstoppable. Okay, so if you notice the words coming just after beat 1, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. We are unstoppable. And we're going to play We Are Unstoppable. So we are as chests and then unstoppable as claps. Let's try it one more time. Together. 1, 2, here we go. We are unstoppable. Lovely stuff. We can do that 3 times in a row, okay? And after the 3rd time, we're going to use another line from the chorus. Take a stand, the future's ours to make. And we're going to clap all of those lines whilst turning on the spot. Ready, go. Take a stand, the future's ours to make. Going to make sure we're right at the front again for the beginning of make, because that's when we start the rhythm again. So we do 3 lots of We Are Unstoppable, and then the 4th time round, we're turning around on the spot, and we're going to do that through a few times. 3 of one line, 1 of the other. Let's try it together. 1, 2, here we go. We are unstoppable. And again, we are unstoppable. 3rd time. We are unstoppable. Here we go. Take a stand. The future's ours to make. We are unstoppable. And again, we are unstoppable. 3rd time. We are unstoppable. Here we go. Take a stand. The future's ours to make. We are unstoppable. 2nd time. We are unstoppable. 3rd time. We are unstoppable. Here we go. Take a stand. The future's ours to make. Brilliant stuff. Well done, well done, well done. Now, in terms of the body percussion at the beginning of the piece, there's actually a little bit of an intro where we're simply listening and just getting the general vibe of the piece. So no body percussion right from the beginning. The first time we come in, we've got some finger taps and the click. It's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Let's try that together a few times. 1, 2, here we go. 1, tap, tap, click, tap, tap, click, and 1, tap, tap, click, and 1, tap, tap, click. Lovely. Then we're going to move into some bass claps and clashy claps. If you cup your hands like this for some bassy claps and then flatten them out for some clashy claps. And we're going to play them on the pulse beat. So like this, bass, clashy, bass, clashy, bass, clashy. Let's try that together 3 times. 1, 2, here we go. And 1, 2, 3. And then we have 1 final bass and then 5 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now to do those, let's start slowly on our palm, then our palm, and we gradually get faster like that. But you don't need to be able to play it like that because we just need 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try that together. We're going to try the bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try that. 1, 2, here we go. Bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again. Bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more time. Bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. So we start off with our dum dum jap. We then have our bassy claps on the pulse beats, and then we finish off with our bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fantastic. Then we are into our first chorus. Now the chorus has got 3 different options. You can choose whichever one you find most enjoyable to do. Option number 1 goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got a stomp on beat 1 and claps on beats 2 and 4. Let's try it together. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fantastic. If you wanted to add a little bit more to that, we've got clicks on what we call the offbeats, the ands. 1, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Now, that might take a little bit of a while to kind of get going. And with anything that's kind of a little bit fast and complicated, if you learn it slowly, away from the backing track, learn it slowly, dum, da, dum, da, 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 da. Get really confident with it first slowly, and then gradually speed it up to the speed of the backing track that we're going to do in a sec, then that might be an easier way to do it. If you're at the stage where you've got this going on, 1 and 2 and 3, and you want to add a little bit more, you can try this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and ba ba ba. 1 and 2 and ba ba ba. And you can use the words of the chorus to help you. We are unstoppable. We are unstoppable. We are unstoppable. Okay, so there's the 3 versions of the chorus. Just the stomps and claps. You can add the click, and you can add the 2 chest beats. We're going to try the chorus now, along with the backing track. You choose whichever version you want to do. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. 2. And again. Lovely. Excellent job. Very well done indeed. Fantastic stuff. So, as you said, we start with the taps and the clicks, and then we have the bassy claps on the pulses with that at the end. Then we go into our first chorus. And we do all that we've done so far again twice. Okay, sorry, again, so it's twice in total. Lovely. After the second chorus, we go into a kind of a half speed feel, the words of which we are saying nothing isn't strong. Okay, so that's the half speed bit. And we've got a little groove in the half speed bit that goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Boom, 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 jack, ba-ba. Boom, 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 jack, ba-ba. So stomp, 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 clap, chest, chest. Stomp, 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 clap. Let's do it a few couple of times together. 1, 2, here we go. Stomp, 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 clap, chest, chest. Stomp, 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 clap, chest, chest. Stomp, 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 clap. Lovely. We do that a few times, and then we're back into our bassy, clashy bit. And then we finish with our boom, ba 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 ba, as we do before. Lovely. And then we're just into a few more choruses of whichever version you want to do. This version, or with the clicks, or with the chest. It's entirely up to you. However, this time round, we're also going to follow the rhythm of some of the words. On one set, we have the chain is there for us to break. Okay, so we're going to be using the phrase for that. Chain is there for us to break. Chain is there for us to break. So chain is there is 3 stomps. Chain is there for us to break. Let's try that together. 1, 2, here we go. The chain is there for us to break. And again, 1, 2, here we go. Chain is there for us to break. Brilliant. Then we're also going to use the words take a stand, the future's ours to make, like we did in the intro. But rather than going round and round and round, we're going to be going, take a stand, the future's ours to make. Okay? Take a stand, the future's ours to make. Because make is the beginning of the chorus again. Okay? So let's just try that together. Ready, go. Take a stand, the future's ours to make. Brilliant! And then right at the end, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, unstoppable, unstoppable, yeah! Okay, 1, 2, same again, unstoppable, unstoppable, yeah! And we're going to play that as this. 1, 2, 3, 4, unstoppable, unstoppable, yeah! Could be thigh belly, could be thigh chest, could be whichever bit of your body you want to play it on. We've got unstoppable, unstoppable, yeah. Unstoppable has 4 beats, we do that twice and then a final yeah. 1, 2, let's give it a go. Unstoppable, unstoppable, yeah. And again, unstoppable, unstoppable, yeah. One more time, unstoppable, unstoppable, yeah. You choose which sound you want to do, but we all end on a stompy, clappy, yeah. Okay, we're going to get ready to perform this all together, so get ready. We're thinking through, we've got the taps and the clicks, we've got our clashy and our bassy with our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, our 3 versions of the chorus, our half speedy bit. We'll be fine. Here we go, from the top. So, get ready with the taps and the clicks. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bassy and clashy. Get ready for bassy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chorus. Sounding good. Keep going. Last time. And lovely. Back to our intro. Take a breath in. Breath out. And again. Lovely. Get those taps and clicks at the ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bassy and clashy coming up. Here we go. Another bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chorus. Yeah. Half-time bit coming up. Here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Ba, ba. Lovely. Keep going. Get ready for bassy clashy. Here we go. Get ready for bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. Bass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chorus. Now there's some words to come along. Here we go. Here we go. Take a stand. And again. The future's ours. Here we go. Take a stand for future. We are unstoppable. Chain is there. Chorus. 2. Get ready for 2 unstoppables. Here we go. Unstoppable, unstoppable. Very, very well done indeed. Excellent job. And obviously you can keep on practicing this to get better and better, and also add your own flavour to it. You could move in a different way, developing the visual of what you're doing, and also think about possibly different body sound choices. It's entirely up to you. I hope you can join us for another Feel Good 15 next week. Bye-bye.